This is a 2009 455 horsepower Freightliner day cab Cascadia. It's got steel wheels in back, aluminum fronts. It's a great day cab for all-around use. It's in great condition. All new rubber. 500,000 miles. 4-bag suspension. DD15 engine. 455 horsepower. 12 fronts, 40 rears. It's the hot side and the cold side. Well maintained. And this has got a nice interior. Looks like it's just recently been reupholstered. Well maintained inside. Nice big rear window. Ready to go to work for $26,950. Great price.